Hello everyone, today we are going to revise IT topic 1 of chapter 1, which I call methods of communication. So today I am going to be using the book Mastermind IT question bank. You can see this, friends. You can buy it on Amazon, and I will be uploading the MCQs and session designs I'll upload the link of MCQs and session designs in the description box. So let us start. See friends, as you can see friends, I'm using Mastermind CBC chapter wise question bank information technology class 10 term 1. So you can buy this book on Amazon. It is a very nice book, friends. It can be available for 180 rupees only. So let us start, friends. Topic 1, methods of communication. So as you all know, there are the word communicate, which means to share. So you know communication skills, communication, and these are the types of communication, friends: verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and visual communication. Now, what do you mean by verbal communication? You see, verbal communication refers to the form of communication in which the message is transmitted verbally. So let us say these two pencils are two friends, Shyam and Ram. Now Shyam is speaking to Ram. Hi Shyam, how are you? And Ram says, oh fine, how are you? Now that is called communication in a verbal manner. The objective of this communication is to have people understand what we are trying to convey. Now, if you see, I am writing a letter to, let us say, so and so person. Now, I am telling that please sponsor me. I am a YouTube channel who explains things. But now he does not understand my motive. So that's a major disadvantage. So that is a positive effect or a positive point for verbal communication. Now let us see the figure here. The messenger, the recipient. Now who do you call the messenger? Me or Shyam? Shyam, who is telling to Ram, hi, how are you? The messenger. He is telling the message, or he is giving the message to Ram. Now Ram, or the recipient, replies, which we call feedback. Get it? Feedback. Now we'll get on to it later. Now let us continue. There are two types of verbal communication. I have said oral, which means speaking, and writing, which means a letter. I have told you, so and so. We are writing a letter to so and so. So that those are the two types. There is no need to explain oral as I have explained just now. And now let us see in the disadvantages. I have already told you the oral advantages. One gets less time to think about what he or she is delivering. Let us say if I speak something fast, blah 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 blah, and Ram here does not understand anything. That is a disadvantage. And he also does not know what feedback to give. That's right, isn't it? Written communication. Let us say this is a book, and I am writing something in it. Yeah. And I am drawing something in it. And now I want to convey this to Shyam. That is called written communication. Get it? Written communication. Now let us see advantages of it. It gives enough time to sender to frame the message. Record can be maintained of every message sent. So yeah, written message or written communication is used for communication in a disciplined way. Get it? Now disadvantages. It does not bring instant and quick response. Now, if Shyam says to Ram, hi, how are you? Ram responds immediately, yeah, I am fine. But let us say, if I write to, let's say, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, how are you? And I send a letter to him. It takes 2 days to go, it takes 2 days to receive, and I need to give money. So, written communication, I prefer no. So, non-verbal communication, you know it. Now, see, these are some examples of non-verbal communication. Poses like this: thinking, angry, sad, happy. These are examples. Now, these are the elements: appearance, body language, tone, eye contact, and facial experience. Now, let us get down to the questions, friends. The word communication comes from the Latin word communicare, which means to option A share, option B taken, option C given, option D simple. The correct answer is option A, share. As you can see, communication comes from the Latin word communicare, which means to share. Question number 2, friends. Dash is a process of sharing information between two or more people. Now let us recall the definition. Or a simpler way, let us use the options given here. Communication skills, tone, communication, and none of these. According to CBSE, the options like none of these and all of these won't be coming. So let us cancel that off. Option D cancelled. Now tone. Let us see tone. What do you mean tone? Hey, you. I am using a different tone. Hey, you. I am using a different tone. Get it? Tone. So tone is what you mean. Greater bass or lesser bass, or you know what I mean, right? I'm not able to explain it properly, but let us go ahead. Communication. Communication is a process of sharing information between two or more people. Now this seems a bit right, isn't it? Yes, it is right. Option A, communication, is the right answer. Let us go to further questions, friends. Question number 3. Methods of communication can be categorized into dash categories. 2, 3, 4, 6. Now this is the point what you have to remember. Option B, 3 is the correct answer. As you have seen in the flow chart, I'll show you the flow chart again, friends. Communication is divided into 3. Verbal, non-verbal, and visual. Alright, now you have to remember those. In a verbal communication, remember the acronym KISS. KISS stands for keep it short and simple, keep it simple and short, keep it soft and simple, keep it simple and soft. Now, option B is the right answer. Keep it short and simple. Remember, friends, KISS. Keep it short and simple. Now, most people or most students write simple and short. It is not true. The invigilator may not give you marks for this. So remember it. Short and simple. SAS. Short and simple. Oral communication is a two-way communication with a higher scope for argument, time consuming, clarification, none of these. Now the correct answer is clarification. Oral communication. Oral communication is a two-way communication with a higher scope for clarification. अभी देखो clarification मतलब और clarification means in a more understandable way, right? Isn't it? Which of the following statement is true about communication? 50% of our communication is non-verbal. 20% communication is done using body movements, face, arms, etc. 5% communication is done using voice, tone, pauses, etc. 7% communication is done using words. Now, let us see the answer. The answer is D. 7% communication is done using words. Now, we need to remember this properly. So, we will be doing 10 to 15 questions in this video. And I'll be uploading the next video in bit parts. Get it? And I'll be also revising each and every topic thrice or twice. Please leave it in the comment section. You need to apply for leave at work. Which method of communication will you use? Now friends, I forgot to explain topic and I will be explaining it now. Now let us say you work in a software company, or let us say you work in anywhere in the world and you want to take a leave. I want to take a leave. So I write a letter or an email which to my boss or to my manager to let him know that I will not be available for work. Otherwise, it will be hard for us, isn't it? Salary cut jayega. Okay. So, by which action can senders send their messages? Gestures, reading, speaking, writing. Think. Option C, reading. Now, I don't need to explain this because this is very easy. Let us go to the next question. This will be the last question I will be taking for today, and the next video will come day after tomorrow. Dash means communication through spoken, oral, and written words. Verbal communication. Verbal communication. Speaking. Oh, now remember the examples Ram and Shyam. Verbal communication, isn't it? So that's it for today, friends. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be sure to react within 1 or 2 hours. And please like, share, and subscribe the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. And after subscribing, please hit the bell icon for further videos. Thank you, friends.